Wait a minute, what's that? It's a bottle. There's something in here too. I wonder what's in here. The cap is locked, so seems like I need to break it. There's something in here. It looks like a map. Ooh, I hope it's treasure. Ooh. Well, we're gonna open it and find out. Like the NFL taught me. What? How though? How did it survive? That doesn't make any sense. It should break. Huh. Unbreakable, huh? Let's try this again. Jeez, this bottle doesn't want to break. At least its lid is off, but my finger is gonna fit in there. I must break it even more. Okay, you know what? I'll just throw it in the road. Finally! The bottle finally break, but at least the paper is out now. Hey guys, wanna play a little game? It's called Spin the Bottle. Wow. Okay then. Okay, this bottle's kind of useless. I'll just throw it away. Let's see. Nope, never mind. That's a lot of damage, but we're going off topic right now. Better show you the paper now. Alright, the moment we all been waiting for. Let's open it up. Ooh, I hope it's a treasure map. What the? Bruh.